But my sharper self, my sharper version.
Yes sir, yes sir.
भाई थोड़ा हो गया आपका सर बेटा वीडियो सर थैंक यू
ये स्टैम्प भी किसका है? मेरा है।
I just discovered this beautiful Indian design. Yeah. It's called a bolero. It's a bolero. And ended up being in all different, like, I can't even believe it.
Like a boss lady kind of structure. I'll just take some.
Wait. Wait for. Yes, give it. Hold, wait. Thank you. Yes. Give a look, wait. Thank you. Yes, ready, come close. Yes. Give a look. Done. Thank you. Thank you.
Karan, come.
Great. Thank you. Give a look. Wait. Thank you.
Just pictures, right?
हाल वो लोग बोल रहे हैं इधर फोटो हो रहा है
मैंने भेजी हूँ
थैंक यू
बोलना है सोलो
इसमें क्यों आई
रोहित सर सब मिडल सर यस कुछ बोलना है इधर भी हो गया हाँ
नहीं बोलना है ना
क्या बोलना है तू पूछेगा ना
अरे ये लोग बोल रहे हैं इधर फोटो हो रहा है
पीछे ऐसे टांगे ना आगे वाले
और हम ऐसे कि आ भी जाएंगे आप पूछो
कैसे लग रहा है आपको आज आए वुमन में आने बहुत हैंडसम मैंने
मज़ा रहा है ऑब्वियसली करण ये जो मुहिम चला रहा है कई सालों से इट्स ग्रेट टू बी पार्ट ऑफ दिस इनिशिएटिव ही इज़ डूइंग अ ग्रेट जॉब बाय फेलिसिटेटिंग वुमेन हु हैव अचीव्ड एंड हु कंटिन्यू टू अचीव एंड जस्ट बाय बीइंग हियर द एनर्जी इन दिस रूम इज़ इन्फेक्शियस सो आई एम हैप्पी बीइंग हियर
Tell us something that you would like to tell every man. How does he have to treat a woman?
The main thing, you know, people talk about love and friendship and understanding and blah, blah, blah. I think the main thing a man needs to do for a woman, to a woman, is show her respect, treat her with dignity. Unfortunately, that's truly lacking in today's generation. They don't know how to treat women. And which is why you hear about so many cases going on in all corners of the country. But I think if a man knows how to treat his woman with dignity and respect, that goes a long way. And I think most of relationships that have lasted and mustered up courage to last an entire lifetime is when a man shows proper respect.
Who is this Julio? One second.
And this man is also
Who's this guy?
चश्मा का मेरा एपिसोड भी ड्रॉप हो गया पॉडकास्ट भी आ गया चश्मा
तेरे दिल में आएगा
ठीक है So yeah,
So, I'm sorry, क्या बोल रहे थे आप?
Yeah, please.
आजा मेरे साथ बोल दे
क्या बोल रहे थे? How much we love each other?
No, today we have to say how much we love our women and how well we treat them. और पूछो अभी
But tell me something, is it important to celebrate Women's Day just on one day alone? I think every day is
Women's
Day. You know,
We do celebrate our women every day.
I honestly feel they are the superior species.
They are. I
You
believe
know?
in that.
Yeah.
Whenever anybody asks me, I said there's no competition.
Yeah.
They are.
And
And then we have somebody who helps us celebrate.
Oh.
Please come to the frame.
Thank you, guys.
Mr. Harvard himself.
Thank you, guys.
How are you?
Yes. We were just talking about the wonderful initiative that you've undertaken, and I think it's great. It's not that we need to celebrate them once a year, but
No, I mean, what I love about the way Karan and Nitish do everything, they do everything with a very nice point of view, and they bring out, things that are very relevant to the times, the age, and they bring it out through education and in so many fields. And I think it's such an important thing for women to be celebrated in not just a domestic vertical, but like in a corporate vertical, in like a sports vertical, in so many verticals, and I'm happy that you guys are doing it.
Thank you so much, and it's such a pleasure to have you, Rohit and Zaid. And you all have always been such good supporters of all the causes that we believe in. Of course, women empowerment, education of the underprivileged. So we're very grateful to have people like you all who come out in full support of such causes, are always willing to lend a helping hand, and we are very grateful and very thankful to you all for that. And it's always said that you educate a man, you educate one individual, but you educate a woman, you're educating a family.
Yes,
So that's what we
yes.
believe in, and that's what we're here today.
Yeah.
I Am Women, celebrating inspiration, creating awareness, and making a difference. So thank you so much.
How do I feel about what exactly?
About how women should be thinking today, about Karan's initiative, what Rohit said.
I'm completely in agreement with how Karan looks at it, because truth be told, like if you give a woman 1,000 rupees, she rest assured she'll make sure that if she has 3 children, they all are taken care of. And that's just a maternal instinct that a woman has, and it's probably primal, or probably it's something that one learns along the way. But having said that, it's a man's existence honestly only is still security and reproduction. After that, he's a waste of space. Okay.
I don't agree.
Yeah.
He's the provider.
I'll be very,
for
very,
her to be the
very,
nurturer.
so that's why security comes in. So the woman actually takes care of the family, both man and woman, going forward. And what values that is instilled, not just what values are instilled over a dinner table or conversation, what values are instilled over an argument. A woman is paramount in all of that. Yeah. So
Can you please say one line for I Am?
I Am Woman is about celebrating inspiration. It's about understanding that empowerment is not a goal, it is a journey.
What about you, Rohit? Give me a line.
I don't know about one line, but I think from where I come, my family, I live in a household of women. I have, my mother's always brought me up, like I said earlier, to treat every woman with respect, which they deserve. And like Zaid said, I mean, they are truly, I'll add to that, they are truly the main vertical of our society and of our families. So I'm happy being part of this. In fact, I thanked him yesterday to say thank you for making me part of this journey.
Thank you,
so much.
Rohit. Thank you,
Tell me
Zaid.
one line and
I mean, what can I say? There's so many songs written about women, right? In so many ways and forms. Because women basically, they have hearts. They rule the hearts and minds of the family. They are the center of the universe as far as, anything that you inherit going forward, whether you're a male or female within that family. A woman sacrifices 10 times more than a man does. But of course, there are various verticals of understanding that. But I just have to say, all in all, I Am a Woman is such a great initiative. I want to thank Karan and Nitish and of course Rohit and all of us, because we come from such backgrounds where we celebrate women in our lives every day. We have so many sisters and mothers and nephews and nieces that we want to make sure that when they grow up, they're not looked as second citizens. They're looked as equal citizens, equal in the entire pie of life, and whatever that is, whatever vertical that is. So I wish them all the very best.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Get rid of her. It might change.
Thank you very much for your most political observation of us.
रोहित का फोन है सेव कर उसको देना
My writing there. Yes,
Zaid, just one picture. Zaid, one picture. Nitish, come. Zaid, Nitish.
Thank you.
Nawaz, I want to write next. Ready? Ready? Ma'am, how does it feel to be a part of I Am Woman today?
It is as it feels every day. I'm a woman every day. We are distracted.
How does it tell us a little about you as a woman and what difference should we make to society as women?
I think women are the biggest contributors, really. They are the nucleus of every household, they're the nucleus of every family. They hold it together, they bind it together. They have the EQ, they have the IQ, they put in the work. They are jacks of all trades, often kings of all, and they really are the fabric of our society.
Ma'am, tell us a little about Karan and how it feels for him to start this kind of a thing. It takes a man to start I Am Woman.
I know, I was actually questioning him and his partner on exactly that that's got to take a very special kind of man with a very special kind of history to be able to want to get into that zone and make a difference and make it count, and it's 20 years and counting.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
How are you?
I come in one, yes.
Please, Tahir, come.
अभी स्टार्स का है, दोनों स्टार्स का वीडियो वाले अवार्ड विनर एंड वन ऑफ द मॉडरेटर
वीडियो को बीच में आता है, पीछे से लीजिए.
Where's Akshita? Is she joining us?
She's got hurt yesterday. Yeah, so she's got a swelling here.
So, Tahir, how does it feel being with Karan in this amazing initiative?
I'm so happy. Firstly, I want to say I'm a big fan of his work, and not now, for many years now. And it's and also औरतों के हित में जब भी कुछ होता है ना, so I always run towards that direction. Most of the films that we do, all the art that I try to create, also very female centric. So I'd like to thank Karan to call me, Karan and Nitish both. Thank you for having me.
How do you feel about what should happen to women today? What is it that they need to be empowered about?
Well, I'll be honest with you, because I've been hearing a lot of discussions, right, Karan? Like I'm not talking about the general apathy and what's going on in the world, but मुझे the सवाल जब पूछा जाता है कि how should women be treated, I feel that it's a humanity question. I feel like how we treat each other is more important. And if we talk about women, then we are actually contradicting the fundamental principle of feminism. Feminism का मतलब ये है कि you don't treat women differently. They are like, there are men and there are women. We should all treat everybody how you treat a regular human being, right?
Absolutely.
Like you're not, if you're going to be nice, if I'm not going to be nice to Karan, I'm going to be nice to a woman. So उसमें भेदभाव नहीं होना चाहिए. It's because that we are doing bhedbhav, that there's a man and a woman, which is why what is happening, the atrocities that are being committed against women is happening because we are thinking that there are men and there are women. If we take it out from our mind that, how should women be treated or how men should be treated, probably the problem will solve in itself. So I do think that is obviously it's a top step of the pyramid problem. But I have to say that, स्पेशली हमारे देश में जहाँ पे हमारी संस्कृति देखिए, अगर आप हमारी हिस्ट्री देखिए, औरतों का जो लक़ब है, जो दर्जा है, वो हमेशा बहुत ऊपर रहा है. सो आई थिंक वी शुड ब्रिंग दोज डेज बैक. वी शुड अगर रिलीजन में देखिए, कल्चर में देखिए, जहाँ पे औरतों को देवी देवी कहते हैं, you know, in every single segment of society, you can't worship the same woman and then you treat the women in a particular way, right? So I have a lot of disbelief कि आप मर्द होके या औरत होके, actually मैंने देखा है कि a lot of women treat women badly also. So again, coming to the humanity question, let's treat everybody nicely, equally. Let's adapt the concept of feminism.
Thank you. Karan, what do you want to say?
I think Tahir has covered everything that we want to talk about, and I stand for education. And when we look in the field of education, when we go into the slums and we are trying to educate the children there, we often find that funds appear for the boys, but there are no funds for the girls. And that was actually the reason why I Am Woman even was birthed. It was because of that reason where we were like, we need to create awareness for education of the girl child. And in an ideal world, of course, I mean, I agree with Tahir that there should be no such thing as feminism because everybody should be equal. And that's what our goal is, that we should all go through this journey so that everybody at the end is equal and we don't need empowerment for anybody. But all in all, I'm very grateful, of course, for Tahir to support our initiative. Whenever we need someone to help, there's always somebody who comes, puts his hand forward for help. That's Tahir. He's always there with us, and for that I'm very grateful. And thank you so much for always being part of our initiatives.
And I always will be. I can't, he's too humble. You know, it takes a lot to do stuff that he does, and you should just know that we are always going to back you back.
Thank you so much.
Photo?
हाँ इस साइड फोटो लीजिए ना प्लीज
इस side photo ले
इस साइड
लो।
यार
एक second,
आई हैव टू कीप मूविंग दिस
Thank you. How are you?
Just a part of I Am Woman. I am one of the past recipients of this award as well. So this makes me doubly thrilled to be here tonight because I'm presenting an award to a new winner. And it's always nice to encourage women. I don't want to sound cliched by saying women empowerment and all of that because I believe a woman is already empowered. But yes, we stand in solidarity and we stand here today to support each other. And it's always nice to have a little bit of encouragement. So, thank you.
पार्ट ऑफ आई एम वुमन
ऐसे ही बोल दूँ? Okay. So I have known Karan and Tej for a very long time. In fact, from the time they started I Am Woman. So it's always good to be recognized for your achievements, your social work, whatever one does in life. And congratulations to them. It's very important. They do a lot of good work. And it's so nice. My best wishes to them always.
And can you tell us a little about what India needs today in terms of women empowerment?
Needs in terms of women empowerment. India needs, where women are concerned itself, what? For women. We just need, I think what's important is a woman should always back another woman, praise another woman and never bring her down. Men are always there. So for a woman to succeed, I think it's very important for another woman to support a woman, whatever she's doing in life. And women are always underestimated in terms of, I think, their intelligence, their strength, or whatever way. But it's important to support them in every which way. Today we have women prime ministers, they're leading corporates. They're doing so well in life. So I think a woman today is, if she has the right support, it's very important. I'm all for that.
Meena is the managing director of Deloitte, the first woman who became a managing director. So that's the third. And the fourth is Nawaz Modi, who is working towards fitness. And she's written her book and she's now expanding her body art centers across the country. So we're four very different women in business.
Wow.
Hello, my dear. Well. So good to see you.
Not only that, I went for a ladies' lunch
Oh,
also.
no.
Come, let's get a picture for all of us. Come on outside, please come.
Thank you, Nilesh Joseph.
Hi, please join them, na Krishna.
Hi. Good to see you.
Hello, my dear. What good timing.
Perfect timing.
Thank you. Thank you. You got your fights?
No. Can we do
Yes.
this?
How does it feel to do the entire movement?
Sorry. Say
How
that.
does it feel today to be here at time?
Just give me a second.
Yes, ma'am.